levator, zygomaticus major, orbicularis oculi, orbicularis oris. We have sternocleidoid mastoid attached to the sternum, the clavicle, and the mastoid process. The three little scalenes. And we have levator scapula. Yes, levator scapula acts like an elevator to raise the scapula. Huh.
They have it numbered on the other side in the study guide.
Yes.
Oh, okay.
But this is it. It makes it easier to see. You only get to see a little bit of it here.
Oh, okay.
But if you look right here, you're getting the whole part. This is deep. This is superficial. This is the trapezus. It looks like a greater than sign. Rhomboideus major, rhomboideus minor, or rhomboid. Either way you put it, it's okay. Rhomboid or rhomboideus, major, minor. And latissimus dorsi, this big one right here. You have gluteus maximus, gluteus medius, and then there is a gluteus minimus. We don't see it, but there is a gluteus minimus that's deep. If you are asked how many total gluteus we have, sometimes we ask that question. You have 3 on each side, so how many would that be? 6 total. Yes. 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 That's why I tell everybody, if we ask it. All right. This is the medius, and this is the piriformis. Piriformis. Okay? You have tensor fascia lactate. Fancy muscle, fancy coffee, and this is the tendon that goes along with it. Tensor fascia lactate tendon. Fancy muscle, fancy coffee. All right, you have biceps femoris, and you have semitendinous, deep to semitendinous. You can see it from the side, from lateral and medial, just a little bit. You see semimembranosus. These make up the hamstrings. Sorry, I'm going to put it back on so that it doesn't get out of whack. You have gastrocnemius. Deep to gastrocnemius is the soleus. You can take this one off and you can see it, soleus, but you can also see the soleus here. And of course the Achilles tendon. Start down here and just go up. You have fibularius longus, which is also called the peroneus longus. It goes right across the ankle. And you have extensor digitorum longus. You can see the tendon that goes to all of the digits. And if you remember the extensor digitorum, you can remove it. Extensor digitorum longus. You have, this is the tibialis. This is the tibialis anterior. Tibialis posterior is in the back. And you have flexor digitorum longus, goes under the foot. You can see it from here. Flexor digitorum longus. We will come up. You have the quadriceps right here. You have vastus lateralis, rectus femoris, and vastus medialis, deep to, I'm going to take it off here, deep to rectus femoris is vastus intermedius. It has the blood vessel on it. have sartorius. Sartorius actually transverses the knee. It transverses the thigh. It goes from lateral to medial. You have the gracilis, and you have, gracilis right here, and you have adductor longus. Gracilis is the flat one that goes from the groin to the knee. And adductor longus. Adductor longus. Those are the major ones that you have to know. And we'll come back here. We did the top. You have pectoralis major, pectoralis minor, next to the sternum by just deep to the coastal cartilage. You see the internal intercostals. Medial, right underneath the pectoralis minor, you see the external intercostals. Pectoralis major, pectoralis minor. Deltoid, and I like these better when we're doing the deltoid, even though you could get them there. Deltoid, and where this point is on the metal part of the, that holds the deltoid on this model, where that point is, that's your brachialis. Brachialis. Medial, you have biceps femoris. Lateral, you have the triceps femoris. 1, 2, and 3 heads. You have the brachioradialis. I'm going to try to lighten this as it used to. Sorry. Brachioradialis. It comes across the brachialis and goes to the radius. Brachioradialis. Then you have extensors on top, flexors underneath on the hand and the foot. This is extensor carpi radialis longus. Then this one is extensor digitorum longus, just like on the foot. Both of them actually come off. There's a metal clip on each one. And extensor digitorum longus, you can see the tendon that goes to all the digits. Lateral to that, you have extensor carpi ulnaris. Here's the ulna, and this is extensor carpi ulnaris. Right here, we're underneath, so we're flexors. We have flexor carpi ulnaris, the ulna, flexor carpi ulnaris, flexor digitorum going to the digits, and flexor carpi radialis, radius, right there. Okay? Now I'll turn this way, and we have, come around here. This is pronator teres. Pronator teres, and we have tres major, goes into the armpit, and tres minor. Those are the ones you have to know.